Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and this is another recreating the Great British Bake Off episode. And it's bread week. Oh, I'm so not looking forward to this because I just don't bake bread. The last time I tried to bake bread, it came out as a pancake, literally, and that was recent as well. So I just know this is going to be a fail. I'm doing it anyway because hopefully it will be fun and a laugh. So I'm going to do the rainbow bagels. So I'm making it kind of harder for myself because I'm not looking at a recipe, which I'm just stupid when I do these. I either set stupid goals or I pick the worst task on the worst week, but here we are. So I'm doing rainbow bagels. I have I've not printed off. My boyfriend Matt has printed off the ingredient list. It's literally just the list. I have no recipe and I have not seen the recipe. So we've got 375 grams of strong white bread flour, 5 grams of dried yeast, 2 teaspoons of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 240 ml of lukewarm water. I'm not warm water, hang on. Okay, I'm back. Food colouring, a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. Then equipment, you will need 5 mixing bowls greased with sunflower oil, 2 baking sheets, 2 proving bags and 1. My boyfriend is a little he's put 1 miracle on it. A miracle! I don't know if you can see that, I'm going to show you. He's literally typed 1 miracle. Okay, so they have 2 hours 45, so that's what I'm going to put on the timer. And let's get baking. I genuinely have no idea what I'm doing. Genuinely, I don't bake bread. Okay, so I'm just going to put everything in a bowl together. So, do you sieve bread flour? I don't know. Okay, I'm not going to sieve it. I'm not going to sieve it. 375 grams. 376. Sure. 5 grams of yeast. 2 teaspoons of caster sugar. A teaspoon of fine salt. I've got sea salt, so that's not fine, is it? And I'm just gonna guess. 240 ml of lukewarm water. It's quite hot. Should I let it cool down a bit? No. I'll put some cold water in it. There we go. Brain's actually working for once in one of these challenges. Okay. 240 ml. So just pour it all in, 240 ml, and then I'm guessing we just give it a good stir until it forms like a dough, maybe? Right, it's kind of a dough. I'm guessing I just have to get my hands in here now. And my hands are clean, so that's something. And then do I just work it all together, I guess? Get all the flour in. Okay. Then flour the worktop. Okay, think logically. You would flour the worktop if you were doing any fondant stuff, so you're going to flour the worktop when you're doing bread. Stop being stupid. Ugh. Okay. Then I'm guessing you just roll it all together and then just start kneading. Oh, it's all sticky. Maybe I need to flour my hands. Flour your hands. Okay. And then, whenever I've made bread before, which as I said isn't very often and doesn't work out when I do, so I don't know why I'm going by that. You usually have to knead for like a good 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to try that. Maybe I should have done this in the stand mixer with a dough hook. That's what a dough hook's for, right? I've never used the dough hook because I don't bake bread. I don't know how many times I have to say this. My boss Simon is a very, very good bread maker. He makes all sorts of bread, literally any bread you can think of. He makes baguettes, sourdough, white bread, brown bread, He makes everything and he's very good at it. So I feel like I've kind of got to do a good job. The pressure. And he gave me a recipe last time, and that's the one I tried that turned out like a pancake. And it's meant to be like a foolproof recipe that's really simple to do, and he gave me loads and loads of tips and I still failed at it. And now I'm not even following a recipe, I'm just following an ingredient list. It's changing though, it's getting softer and harder to knead, and I don't know if that's because my arms are getting weaker or if the dough is changing. My arms, Can you over knead it? Oh, I hope you can't over knead it. Shall I do what Rowan did? A little, that didn't really do anything, did it? Oh, that's quite therapeutic. Although, I feel like I'm gonna lob the bread across the room, so I'll stop doing that. 2:32, yes. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'll be back. So I don't have a proving drawer, so I'm gonna put my oven on really low to create sort of like a warm environment where it can do its thing. A clean bowl. And I'm gonna oil that. It should be sunflower oil, but I've only got olive oil, so whatever. I don't know how much oil you put in. Do I like smear it round? There's a lot of touching your foods in this, isn't there? Oh no, it's stuck. Okay, so now I'm guessing I just roll this into like a ball. Rolly, 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 rolly. This is what they do on TV, right? And then pop it in there. Then I'm going to put some cling film on it. It needs to double in size. How long that takes, I'm not quite sure. I think it's like 20 to 30 minutes. So we will do that. And then we'll see and just pray it rises. We're at the 2-hour mark, so I'm going to take it out. It's definitely risen, so that's something. Has it doubled? I'm not quite sure, but it's risen and I'm happy with that. So now we need to divide it up and colour it, which is going to be real fun. I'm going to get colour everywhere. So I need to weigh this into equal amounts. So I'm going to roll it into like a sausage shape and divide it in half. How many do I need? 6. Okay, let's start with this one. 110. 124. In fact, no, I need to weigh the whole thing, don't I? And work out how much I need. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. 616 divided by 6. 102.6666667. Oh, yeah, I have to. Oh, I thought I'd just done 5 now, but no, I've done 6. Okay. Now for the colouring part. Yay! So I've got red, orange, green, yellow, and blue. So let's get colouring. So I'm using gel food colours. I'm guessing it's the same kind of thing with cake where you want to use gel rather than liquid so it doesn't change the consistency. So what food colour am I missing then? Red, orange, yellow, green and blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. But don't you divide it into 6? Oh no! It's 6 bagels, not 6 colours! Shit! Okay, I'm gonna divide this. What's 123? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. 123 divided by 5. 24.6. Okay. It's fine. We've got this. Oh god. Now I've got to mix all these colours again. Oh, this is really going to change the texture, isn't it? And now yellow. Finally. Okay, yellow. Okay, so now I need to put these in individual bowls. So I've just got a bit more oil. And yellow. So I'm going to try to squeeze these in my oven somehow, and I'm going to prove them, I guess, for another 20 to 30 minutes. I really don't know. I'm just guessing. How long have we got left? 1 hour 37. So if they take half an hour, then we've got 1 hour 7. Then we've got to boil them. Then we've got to put them in the oven. I think we'll be okay. I hope. Fingers crossed. Okay, it's been half an hour and I realised I forgot to put the bicarb in. Which is a braising agent, which means it's not going to rise properly. Oh, such a schoolboy error. I told you it was going to be a fail. So the next thing I need to do is roll all of these out, twist them, boil them, and then put them in the oven. So I need to put my oven on. I'm going to say like 180, 190. I do cakes at 160, but I think bread you have to do at a higher temperature. So I'm going to say 180 to 190. Right, I need to flour the work surface and then roll them out to 20 centimetres by 12 centimetres. In what order? Red and yellow and green and blue. Don't know the song? Okay, flour this. I better rolling it in a ball and then, oh my gosh, how do you roll bread? It just springs back. How are you meant to do this? Oh my gosh, this is hard. Red, orange, what colours? What order's the rainbow? I need to find this out, don't I? I suppose it don't really matter, does it? Red and yellow and green and blue, orange and purple and pink. Oh, I don't know what colour it goes in. Okay, I'm just gonna wing it. Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and red, orange. Yes, let's go red, orange, yellow, something. So I've wasted a lot of dough, which is coming off the sides of my bagels, so that can't be good, right? That means that they're going to be really thin, surely. And then which way do you do it? Do you cut them this way? You must cut them this way, but what's 20 divided? Because otherwise they're going to be really thin, aren't they? What's 20 divided by 6? 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Let's do it that way. And do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! I need to make 6! What have I done? Why do I keep making this mistake? Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna have to salvage it out of somewhere. Oh no. Okay, how big are these? 4 by 12. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Messed it up, haven't I? That'll have to do. Look how thin that one is compared to the others. Oh no, I messed it up. Okay. Don't panic, let's just get on with the twisting and the boiling. Bit more flour, then twisty twist. So you twist in opposite directions, right? Like this. It's quite hard to do, and now I've got too much flour on. Is this right? I don't know. And then join them together. Oh, this doesn't look right. Oh, I'm not sure about this. I am not sure about this. Maybe I should have cut them the other way. I should have, shouldn't I? Oh, and this is my messed up one. Look how small it is. Okay, now I need to boil them. further and further I get through this process, the more I believe they're going to fail. They're all different sizes, they're wrinkly, they don't look like, well, they don't look like bagels for a start, and they don't look like rainbows. They're mainly red with tiny bits of rainbow showing through, so it's just a disaster, but we're going to bake them. I don't know how long for. I bake a cake for like 20 to 30 minutes, so I guess I'm going to do it for that long. And we've got 47 minutes left on the timer, so I should have time spare, which seems odd, which makes me think I've done something wrong, which I know I have, but it just proves the point. They don't look very nice. I think so. I think they're done. So we've got 24 minutes to spare. I don't understand. I mean, they look terrible and they're a fail, and they're kind of rock hard, so I don't think they're going to taste very nice at all. And they don't look like rainbows, and they're kind of dark, and they're not good at all. But I guess we'll taste them anyway once they've cooled down. They're shiny though. Okay, so here they are. They're still a bit warm, but, and I haven't got, oh god, they look terrible inside. I mean, they're more rainbow inside, I don't know if you can see that, but the texture does not look like bread. It's crispy. It's chewy like a bagel, but other than that I feel like it's a fail. And it's not as bad as the bread I made a couple of months ago. So progress, right, and I'm heading in the right direction. Maybe by the time I get on Bake Off, I'll ace bread, who knows? But yeah, it's just not very good at all. I would not be getting a handshake from Paul, and I would probably be going home this week. Boo. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video and this fail, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!